Hi, welcome back, everybody. I don't know if anybody can guess what day it is, but spoiler alert, it'll be in the thumbnail. So, anyways, we got the shop all cleaned out, other than that, but we got the company coming today to install the lift. So, we'll be putting it back here past the door just a little bit. Actually right in front of the Blazer here. That way it'll give us good room in the back to work on engines and whatever we need to work on, not just engines, but and then it'll give us plenty of room back here to park the G when we move it back over. Once things get a little more settled, I'm going to try and find a tuner. I've been thinking about reaching out to PFI Speed out in Colorado and getting the G taken care of. But that has nothing to do with this video. This is all about getting the lift installed in the shop to make life easier for me, to avoid, any more of the serious back injuries like the one I just dealt with. So, anyways, they're coming from Las Vegas, so they should be here any time now. And once they get here, I'm sure they'll be fine with it, but I'm just gonna set up the GoPro on time lapse and just kind of time lapse and watch them do the whole process. So, and then I'll be back. I've got to get an electrician in here. We've actually got the outlet up there, which is a 30 amp 220. We just have to run it over to the lift. We're gonna do a drop down on it to give us an extra 220 outlet. What else were we gonna do? But he's the one that wired the house, so he'll probably be over in the next couple days to get that all wired up and completed. And then eventually I'm gonna have him come in and get some more of those backlights, the high bay lights like that, installed, so we have more lighting in here than we do. So anyways, I'm gonna leave it there for now. And like I said, once I hear, we'll get that time lapse going. If you guys enjoy this video, follow along, subscribe, and give it a big thumbs up, guys. Let us know that you like it, and we'll keep making this content. And we're hoping that we can get this content to a point where we're able to make a little bit of profit to put back into the projects. That's my goal, is I want to put the money back into the projects. I'm not looking to become wealthy. I want to put money back into the projects and make better projects, make funner vehicles, and be able to do fun and exciting things and bring you guys along. So hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you at the end of this. All right, everybody, so we're not 100% finished. I just need to get an electrician here, and that will be happening on Monday or Tuesday. I think Monday he's gonna come take a look at it, see what we need, and then Tuesday he'll be back to get it all wired in. It's the same electrician that wired the house though, so he's familiar with everything. But anyways, here's the great reveal. So AMGO, and this lift is actually manufactured, I believe, in South Carolina. So nice American-made lift. The reason why I went with this one, it is a 10,000 pounder, as you can see there, but this is the extra tall and wider one. So we've got, and it's weird because it's both asymmetric and symmetric. And the way they explained it to me is basically these legs, the way that they kick out like that gives you that asymmetric portion, but the lift isn't twisted like it would be on a normal one. Anyways, I mean, it's got, you can see the room that it has in between it. Should be able to open and close doors really good. And this will, the way the legs are, or the pads are, it'll allow you to actually move the door away from the beams. But it's a pretty nice lift. I mean, it's not a bend packed, it's not a rotary, but it still is a really good lift. And this one actually came with all the extras like the tool trays, and then all of the extensions. There's a bunch of those. So, pardon me. Really nice lift. The guys were awesome. They let me time lapse it. These are the guys right here out of Las Vegas, Nevada. So if anyone needs to give them a call looking for a lift, you know, they'll hook you up. They do a great job. Yeah, this is going to be a game changer for the shop. It's going to be a game changer for the channel. It's going to allow me to do a lot more without laying on my back, being on the ground, all that crap. So anyways, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of it, standing up and installed. And like I said, we've got this outlet here that actually already has it's blanked right now, but it's got the 220 single phase 30 amp running to it. So we're just gonna run along the wall, come across to the lift, and then all the controls are right here. Somewhere in this area, we're gonna put another outlet so we can hook up some other 220 stuff. The only thing they really said is just don't use that outlet while you're using the lift. But if you're using that outlet, you're probably working on the vehicle that's on the lift, so that would be nonsense. Anyways, everybody, like, comment, subscribe, come along for the journey. We'll see you guys in the next video.